Hey, good morning, guys. What's going on? It is Monday morning here. Just want to give you a quick update on the custom Python workout application I've been working on. Uh, a little further on it, still not done, but I haven't had a whole lot of time to plug away at it. But I have created additional screens, and let me just show you what I'm talking about. So we'll run the main Python file here. First thing that does is launch Radical video grub. What better way to start a workout than the King Pump Yod? It's about a 90-second clip. But to stop it, you would just touch the screen. This will end up being a Android or iOS application for phone, and or I'll use it on my touchscreen Raspberry Pi that I have, and that'll be out in the garage when I work out. So as you can see here, I've built a few more screens. I have the weightlifting screen, which is where you'll go to, get your pump on. Stats. So eventually I want to record historical data here so I can look at trends and hopefully see things like my PRs go up over time. At least that's the goal. Motivation. So if you're halfway through your workout and you need some more motivation, we'll have some Ronnie Coleman videos in here, David Goggins, you name it, whatever pumps you up, you could throw it in here. And obviously you can watch that at any given time of your workout. Excuse me, guys, just waking up. And then we have a music screen, so you can also stream your favorite music right from the application. Yet to be determined if we hook this into anything that would live stream or if we just download and put, static music in here. Probably do a little bit of both eventually, at least that's the plan. So I've built out some of the weightlifting logic, so let's check that out. So if we click on weightlifting, right now I do a Wednesday, Friday, Sunday routine. So I lift weights on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. So let's check out Wednesday's routine. Click on that. And we'll see these are the different exercises that I do on Wednesdays. So if we look at bench press, we can click into that. And then this is where you would tell it, okay, I'm going to go for, or really you'd log it afterwards, right? So let's say I'm going to do 225. And maybe I hit that for 6 reps. And then we would say that set is done. So this one I'll get recorded into a database. I'm probably going to hook in like SQLite or something like that into this application. And again, that would be logged into the historical data. And then this would eventually show us like the date, the time that we worked out, how long the workout was. And then it'll show us things like PRs. So what was my heaviest I ever went on bench? We could even do like total weight moved for that day. So maybe, you lifted a total of 10,000 pounds or whatever the case may be. So this is kind of where I'm at so far, guys. Hopefully I get some more time soon to continue working on this. And once I get a finished product or I get some more decent amount of progress on it, I'll give you another update. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more updates on this custom application. Till the next one, take care, guys.